today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a TradingView widget in Notion, so you can seamlessly integrate dynamic charts and financial data directly into your workspace. Whether you're an avid trader or simply someone who enjoys keeping an eye on market trends, this tutorial will help you enhance your Notion pages with interactive financial insights. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and go to aption.co. This site offers a variety of tools and widgets that can boost your productivity on different platforms, including Notion. In the search bar at the top of the page, type in TradingView and press enter. This will lead you to a list of relevant results. Look for the TradingView widget and click on it to proceed. Once you're on the TradingView widget page, you'll notice an option to copy a link. Click on the copy button to save this link to your clipboard. This link is what we'll use to bring the functionality of TradingView into your Notion workspace. Now that you have the link ready, it's time to head over to Notion. Open your Notion workspace in another tab. Once you're there, decide where you want to add the TradingView widget. You might want to create a new page or add it to an existing one where it complements your content. When you're ready, click in the Notion document and type in or embed. As soon as you start typing, you'll see a bunch of options pop up. Select the one that says embed by either clicking on it or pressing enter. This command is the gateway to integrating various types of media, including the TradingView widget. Now, in the block that appears, paste the link you copied earlier from aption.co. You can do this by either right-clicking and selecting paste, or using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V or Command+V on Mac. After you've pasted the link, you'll need to confirm the action to embed the widget. To do this, look for a button or prompt that says Embed Link and click on it. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated a TradingView widget into your Notion page. This widget will now display the latest charts and data from TradingView directly within your Notion workspace, keeping you updated with the latest financial trends without having to leave your workspace. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've expanded the capabilities of your Notion setup. This integration not only centralizes your workspace, but also empowers you with real-time data directly from TradingView. Thank you for following along, and enjoy using this powerful tool in your Notion pages. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy